Okay, so we are standing right on the edge of a massive shift in artificial intelligence. We're moving way beyond the chatbots we use every day into a brand new era of autonomous agents. Today, we're going to break down exactly what that means and why it's about to change, well, pretty much everything.
But let's just cut right to the chase. The big question on everyone's mind is this: are the chatbots we all know and rely on about to become totally obsolete?
To even begin to answer that, we've got to make sure we're all on the same page. So, let's start with the AI tools that have become such a huge part of our daily lives. When we say normal chatbot, we're talking about the AI you already use probably all the time. Think ChatGPT, Claude, or even assistants like Siri. Their job is pretty simple, right? They're designed to take your instructions and give you a response. That's the deal.
Here's a great way to think about it. Imagine you have this incredibly brilliant assistant, but this assistant will literally just sit there and wait for you to give them a direct command. They've got all the capability in the world, but they won't act on their own initiative.
And don't get me wrong, they are phenomenal tools. They're fantastic for creativity, for solving tricky problems, and for digging up information. But their core nature, their key limitation, is that they are reactive. They respond to you. They don't take the first step.
So that leads to a really interesting thought, doesn't it? What if AI could actually break out of that loop? What if it didn't need to wait for your every single instruction to get something done?
Well, that's not a what if anymore. It's happening right now. So let's dive into the next frontier and talk about something totally new: autonomous AI.
Everybody, meet the AI agent. And trust me, this is a whole different ballgame. An AI agent is built to act independently. It can look at a goal, create a whole multi-step plan, do its own research, and this is the wild part, it can interact with other apps to achieve that goal, all without you micromanaging it.
Let's make this real. You don't tell an agent how to book a flight. You just give it the goal: book me the best flight. From there, it just takes over. It analyzes what best means, it researches and compares prices and airlines across different websites, it actually interacts with the booking forms, and then finally, it buys the ticket and sends you a confirmation. It handles the entire workflow, start to finish.
This quote really just nails the shift in thinking. You're not just using a clever tool anymore. You are collaborating with an autonomous digital teammate that can run entire projects for you.
And this is where it gets really interesting. This isn't just some small upgrade. The abilities of AI agents are starting to completely dwarf what traditional chatbots can do, and that has massive implications for the future of work itself.
So to make this absolutely crystal clear, let's put them side by side. Let's do a direct head-to-head comparison.
Okay, check out this breakdown. On behavior, chatbots are reactive. They wait for you. Agents are proactive. They act on their own. For tasks, chatbots are great at single-step things, while agents can manage entire, complex workflows. Connectivity, a chatbot is basically stuck inside its text box. An agent can go out and interact with all sorts of other apps and websites. And finally, decision-making, a chatbot just follows instructions, but an agent can actually prioritize things and adjust its plan on the fly.
If you only take away one thing from this, let it be this right here. A chatbot is a powerful tool that you wield. An AI agent is a teammate that works alongside you. That is the fundamental difference.
And this isn't some science fiction idea. These agents are already out in the real world, performing some absolutely incredible tasks as we speak.
I mean, we're seeing agents like AutoGPT that can manage an entire content strategy, all the way from creation to analysis, with no human intervention. You've got others like Moltbot that can act as your personal online shopper. And in the corporate world, agents are already saving thousands of hours by automating everything from competitor research to customer support.
So what does all this mean? Why is this jump from chatbot to agent so incredibly important for you to understand?
Well, this future really has two sides to it. The promise is incredible, right? A world where AI handles all the boring, tedious administrative work, freeing us humans up for high-level strategy and creative thinking. But the risks are just as real. An unsupervised agent could make a huge financial mistake, open up a security hole, or run into an ethical problem with no human oversight. These are challenges we're just now starting to face.
So, the crucial point is this: whether you're a developer, a business leader, or you're just curious about the future, understanding this distinction between a tool and a teammate is absolutely essential for navigating what's coming next.
Which brings us all the way back to our original question. In a world that's getting more and more populated by these powerful, autonomous agents, is there still a place for the simple chatbot? Or are we watching the beginning of the end for the AI that we all first got to know? That's the big question we're all going to see answered, and probably very soon.